Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn about how to find equity margin and margin. In last video I teach you about what is mean margin and what is mean margin trading. If you don't have any idea about margin, go and watch that video. Okay, let's enter into this video. I will say how to find equity and margin and pre-margin. And in this application I am using the MetaTrader 5 for placing my order. Okay, I will give an example. Okay, how to calculate the balance that this is your amount having in your trading account, which means which is the balance amount which is having in your account is called as balance. What is in the equity? Equity is equal to balance plus floating profit and loss. What is my balance? $103. What is my floating profit and loss? My profit is $3.62. You can see in this image. This is my profit. Okay, add this. Balance is equal to 108. My floating profit is equal to $3.62. So my equity is equal to 11 $2, $112. Okay, now we are going to market. In last video, I have uploaded in my channel, which is related to margin trading. If you have doubt in margin, you can consider that video. There is a formula for calculating margin. Lot size into entering trade price divided by 100. In this video, you can see I have taken 0.001 lot in entering trade price. My trade price is equal to 154.567 divided by 100. You will get a margin. I need $10 to enter in this trade. If my balance is $10, I can enter in this trade. Okay. Free margin. Free margin is very simple. In this video, I will tell you about how to calculate the free margin. Equity minus margin. What is equity mean? Balance plus profit and loss. What is my equity? $112 minus margin. What is my margin? You can see my margin $10. You have if you are minus this, you can get the free margin. Okay, I think you may understand with the example. I have mentioned USD JPY, which I have noticed that. Okay, I think you may understand what is mean by equity margin and free margin. If you have any doubt, you can mention the comment section. Thank you guys. Thank you.